Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to close Moomoo account. If you want to close or delete your Moomoo account permanently, first of all, open up the Moomoo application on your mobile device, or you can also go visit Moomoo on a web browser. Log in using your registered credentials, and once you are inside the home page, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. After getting to the settings page, tap on Moomoo account button. Now scroll all the way down from this page and you will see a delete account button which you should press on. Go through the deletion process, follow through the instructions, and yes, if you have any remaining funds from your Moomoo account, you can transfer them all to your linked bank account. Now enter your Moomoo account's password on the next page and click on Confirm. Your account is now about to enter the deletion process. If you change your mind about the deletion, you can log into your account within 10 days from the day that you've deleted the account. This will then cancel the deletion process. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted. Tap on Confirm, and there you have successfully been logged out of your account, which means you have successfully deleted your Moomoo account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.